What's up, guys? We're going to create a website using HTML and CSS. Huh? 8:18.
Hindi mo pa nilagay ang kapit sa mga sisiglahan.
Hapon pa. Okay, so pupunta tayo dito. Simula tayo sa HTML. First, gagawa tayo ng title.
13 over, anong subject?
Gagawa tayo ng title, which is Wattpad Bookstore. Then, lalagyan natin ng design. First, kailangan natin nitong link. Itong link, style sheet, HRS, and para mag-connect siya sa CSS. First section, sa body, magkakaroon tayo ng section, with the class name of header, and below, href, HTML, and yung logo, which is ito. Itong logo to. And give class navlink, H2, which is yung H2 natin, Wattpad Books. Saan? Ito yun. And what yung title, ito yung title, and this is the description. And meron tayong red button, which is once na click, nagkakaroon ng ibang kulay. And punta tayong CSS. After lagyan natin ng section, lagyan natin ng HTML, home, genre, about, and contact us, and login. Pupunta tayong CSS para lagyan ng design, which is yung margin, 0, padding, font family is, yun yung font na ginamit natin, which is LibreWorks will serve. And sa header, meron tayong main height, which is 100 ph, with is 100% background image, which is meron tayong sariling background image na nilagay, yung book.jpg, kung saan itong background nito. Balik tayo sa CSS, header h2, saan? Ito yung header h2 Wattpad Books. Ito, h2. Then, pagkatapos na natin lagyan ng header h2, pupunta tayo nav.link, which is yung type natin dito, ito, nav.link, ID class name is nav.link. Para magkaroon siya ng design, malagay sa gitna, magkaroon ng transition, and ayan, magkakaroon ng transition, display margin, auto, background, red, height 2px or pixel, width is 0% and content is quotation only. Number is color, okay, and decoration, none. So, nakikita naman natin, yan, yung nilagay nating design para sa page 1 natin or yung sa front page, which is ito na yung sa home, genre, about us, contact us, and login. Ito yung sabi ko sa inyong red button na once click, nagkakaroon ng transition or nagiging red. Punta tayo sa genre, HTML, genre. Gawa ulit tayo ng panibagong section, which is yung class name genre, h1 natin, genre that we offer, definition, select genre that you want to purchase. Ayan. Ito pala, text box. Itong Wattpad Bookstore, make sure login mo. Yung sa front page, which is yung title is Wattpad Bookstore, book, make sure login, yung description, lagyan natin na, yung class name niya is text box. Punta tayong CSS. Text box width is 90%, color white, position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, transform, translate, negative 50%, and negative 50%. Text alignment, center, para pumunta sa gitna, which is this one. Nasa gitna siya. Even the description, nasa gitna din. And yung button, nasa gitna. H1, which is yung nga sinasabi ko, yung text font font size, di ba makikita natin malaki, then yung description maliit. Yun yung function ng font size sa text box. Yung sabihin sa description, margin, 10 pixel, 0 pixel, and 40 pixel. Sa font size naman niya is 14 pixel, yung color is white. Sa hero button, which is yung sinasabi ko kanina, once na click mo, nagkakaroon ng kulay or transition. Ayan, hero button, HERF, class name, hero button, visit us to know more. Ayan, display in line block, text decoration none, color white, border, ito, yung palibot ng text, padding, font size, background, transparent, so we can see, di ba, transparent, position, relative, cursor, pointer, hero BTN hover, para malagyan natin ang transition, ang background is red, border 1 pixel and red 10, now that fa, which is itong mga icon. Pupunta tayong CSS, and yung purpose naman ng media max width is for once na inopen natin sa mobile phone, magiging maganda yung result, which is this one. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Same context lang naman. Mo pa lang yung login, visit us to know more. Diba? Once na-click, nag-iiba yung kulay. So, yun. Punta tayo sa HTML. Same context lang din naman yan. Ayan, font size. Font size, 20 pixel. Nav that link that will be. Display block. Nav link position. Absolute background is red. Same lang naman doon. Nilagyan lang ng sizes and alignment para once inopen siya sa mobile phone, hindi siya magkagulo or masira yung design. Next is genre. Genre, which is nakikita din natin sa homepage. Same dito, kasi lang inibang page lang natin para once pinindot natin or once na click natin yung etong part na to, pumunta sa sarili niyang page, which is our genres that we offer. Ayan, yung different genre and product na mapu-purchase once na nag-visit sa website na to. Ayan. And together this one, mamaya explain ko ba't may ganito, ba't lumalabas yung title and author ng bawat books. Punta muna ulit tayo sa HTML. May HTML, which is yung home. Genre, gumawa ulit ng panibagong section, which is yung class name is genre. H1 or title, genre that the offers. Definition or description ng title natin is select genre that you want to purchase. Pupunta ulit tayo sa CSS para mag-designan natin yung magiging output. So, genre width is 80%, margin, auto, text alignment center para pumunta sa gitna. Which is kanina, ito yung H1 natin. Itong H1 natin, and ito yung description. Subheader H2, yun nga yung sinasabi ko, yung sa yung genre that we offer, font size is 20 pixel and color is this one. H1 font size, which is ito, H1. Ayan, H1. Font size is 36 and font weight is 600. Yung P niya, yung description, color block. Font size is 14 pixel, font weight is 300, and line height is 22 pixel. Padding is 10 pixel. Ayan, genre that we offer, which is yung H1. And select genre, which is yung P. Description yan, kulay black din, but in small size or font size. Balik tayo sa HTML. Gumawa ulit ng bagong class name, which is div class row and div class genre all. And H3, ayan yung different genre natin, which is yung action, horror, and fantasy. Copy-paste ko lang tong sa action kasi papalitan na lang natin ng horror and description or definition ng horror genre. Same as fantasy. Then, i-edit natin sa CSS. row is margin top, 5% display text, justify contents, space between, which is this one. Ayan, makikita natin yung horror, fantasy, and action. And this genre includes a wide range of, yung description ng action nasa baba, and space between, ayan, may space sila bawat box. Genre call, flex basis, background, pink, which is, diba, pink, background, border radius, 10 pixel, margin button, 5%, padding, 20 pixel, and 12 pixel, boarding size is border box, transition is 5%. Sa H3 natin, which is yung mga genre, yung horror, action, and fantasy, lagyan natin ng text alignment, center, font weight is 600, and margin is 10 pixel. Yung sa text alignment ng sa H3 is para yung title or yung H3 pumunta sa center, which is ito, kasi kung di natin lalagyan, maybe mapupunta yan dito, kung saan. Then, balik ulit tayo sa CSS, genre call hover, back shadow is 00, then 20 pixels 0, and RGB is black, and background color is white, which is my transition. Ayan, ito yung transition is 0.5 na once clinic or nag-iiba yung kulay, which is kanina yung background color niya is light pink na may paghalong purple, nagiging white. Ayan, and yan din yung transition. Then move tayo dito. Gagawa ulit tayo ng panibagong section, which is yung class name natin is action. Yung H1 natin is action, yung P, this is the yung definition na ng action. Then gumawa tayo ng div plus row, div plus action call, image ng books, book over. Then H3, which is yung title and title of books together with his or her author. Yung together H3. Sa H3, andun yung title ng books kasama ang author. Same context lang din naman, copy paste, then pinalitan ko lang ng bawat book over and title. Ayan. Same content lang naman sa horror hanggang sa fantasy. So, yung sa CSS, since pinapalitan lang naman ng class name and yung mga title, and then yung image, pupunta lang tayo sa CSS. Yung class sa action, which is yung genre ginamit natin kanina is action, which is this one. Class name is action, H1 is action, and P is the description. And div plus row, div plus full action. Ayan, action width is 80%, margin is auto, text alignment is center, padding top is 50 px, which is ito. Ayan, itong title na to, ito yung H1, and this is the P. And action call, flex bases, border around, margin bottom, position, overflow. Since nilagyan natin ng picture, nilagyan natin ng, ayan, call, slash, call, then slash call, then image width is 100%, display is black, which is, ayan, yung sa baba nila is yung link ng bawat book over, which is ito. Etong book over, wag muna natin pansinin yung transition, which is yung book over together ng author. Ayan. Div plus layer. Div plus layer. Punta tayo sa CSS. Layer, background, transparent, height, 100%. Width is 100%. Position, absolute. Top, 0. Transition is 0.5. Ito yung sinasabi kong transition na yung text pumupunta sa taas. And background is itong gray. Which is this one. Ayan, nagiging gray yung bawat picture together. Nag-pop up yung author and yung title ng bawat books. Same content lang naman sa horror and fantasy since same content lang naman. ayan, kinapi-paste ko lang kung ano yung andun sa, kung anong andun sa action at anong din nasa fantasy and horror. Since, then the output is same alignments, same transition. Ayan. Ayan. And about us, nasa homepage, nasa homepage ko na din siya. Ayan. Ayan. Gumawa ulit ng panibagong section, which is para naman sa about us. Yung class name is about, H1 is about us, and description or yung P is welcome and explore of your Samo favorite. And this icon, which hindi din naman siya gumana, kaya okay lang naman. So ayan, punta tayo yung CSS. Ayan, about, width is 80%, margin auto, following text is 100 pixel, text alignment, center. Ayan, center. H1, bottom, 25 pixel, margin type, 20 pixel, and font weight is 600. And, punta tayo sa about us. About us naman, about us, punta tayo sa about, same context. Gagawa ulit tayo ng panibagong section with the class name of subheader and nav and href, html, logo.book, and Wattpad. Ayan. Same context lang naman sa homepage. And below, gagawa ulit tayo ng title, H1 about us, another section, class name is about us, div class name is row, and div class about all. And each one helps you, or yung title natin is helps you to find interesting Wattpad stories and description. We offer different genre. You can choose genre what you want to purchase and collect. So sa CSS, para lagyan natin to ng design, punta tayong CSS. Ayan. Subheader, which is yung H1, height 50 bh, width is 100%, background image, linear gradient, block, and URL, yung background, which is itong background na to, and about us, yung sa H1. Background position, center, background size, cover, text align is center, and color white. So, as we can see sa output, ayan yung cover, naka-center yung text. And, doon, sa section about us, lalagyan natin ng design. About us, width is 80%, margin is auto, padding top is 80 pixel, padding bottom is 50 pixel. About call, which is yung nasa baba, this one. Flex basis is 48%, padding is 30 pixel and 20 pixel. And about call image, natin 90. Ayan. With yung image, which is this one. Ito, yung image. H1 is padding top, 0. Ayan, H1, welcome about us. About H1, about cool and padding, and red button, which is ayan, border 1 pixel, solid red, background transparent color red, and red over, which is nagkakaroon ulit na transition, yung once na magiging white, yung text, yung color is white. So ito yon, ayan, ito yung peak, and ito yung sa H1 description, and ito yung sa explore now. Itong red button. Ito, explore now. Ayan, explore now. Ito yung sinasabi ko dun sa nagiging white. Ayan. And about us, nasa gitna. pinalikan natin yung picture. And, punta tayo sa login, which is yung login. Gumawa ulit tayo ng panibagong class section. Login, yung class name, div class is wrapper, form action, h1 is login, div plus input box, and input type, text, placeholder, username, which, yan. Ayan. Wait, mali pala. Contact muna. Dito, sa contact, gumawa tayo ng panibagong section with the class name of location. Kinuha din natin yung link ng Google Map. And, ayan, section. Punta tayong CSS para magkaroon ng design. Location, width is 80%, margin is auto. Padding is 80 pixel and 0. Location iframe, which is yung link ng Google Map, is width is 100%, which is yung output niya. Ayan, yung sa H1 nasa center ulit. Same lang ng sa about us. And then, ayan, yung sa Google Map, which is pwedeng i-zoom. And pwedeng palitan. Guys. Ayan, balik tayo sa HTML. Ayan, contact. Gawa ulit tayo ng bagong section, which is yung nakalagay, contact us, div plus row, contact.cool. Ayan, contact us, width is 80%, margin is auto, contact.cool is fixed basis, 48%, margin bottom is 30 pixel, contact row, div, which is display flex, text alignment, center, margin bottom is 40% pixel, contact call div is fa, font size is 28, color is red, margin is 10, and margin right is 30 pixel, which is ito. Ayan, yung class name is fa, Facebook. Ayan, H5. Ayan, sa H5, ayan, font size is 17 pixel, margin bottom 5 pixel, margin top, auto, color, block, font weight is 300, contact all input, control all text area, width is 100%, padding is 15 pixel, margin left is 17 pixel, outline none, border solid, 1 pixel solid, border sizing is box, which is ito, yung sa enter your name, enter email, and place order, and meron tayong button type, submit, and class name, hero, BTN or red BTN, and send image. Kung saan yung output, ito, ayan, ng Facebook, number, and email, and pangalan, email din, and message, and send image. Meron din sariling transition, and punta tayo sa login. Ayan, login. Ayan, login. Class section, gumawa ulit ng panibagong section, class, login, div plus wrapper, form action, h1 is login, div plus input, and as we can see, href, bt, and login pop up para yung maging ganito. And ito yung sa login, username, password, and number ni. Sa CSS, yung sa login, yung sa pop up, which is ito, ayan, width is 100 pixel, height is 40 pixel, background transparent, ayan, makikita natin, transparent siya, ayan, kakaroon lang ng white pag, clinic na, nagkakaroon ng transition.